Hello human. Can I sit? What a beautiful day, right, human? My name is Doggy. And I am a harmless dog, so don't be afraid. I'm waiting for the bus. It takes a long time to arrive, so we will be here together for a long time. Are you waiting for the bus? Or are you just rested? Human. Have you ever eaten dog biscuits? I mean, relaxing dog biscuits. I have many of those and I can give you some. These are the good ones. They're going to make you bark. Like me. Because I'm a dog. I mean, a harmless dog. Or is it just that you don't trust a cute little puppy? Human. Why are you staying away from me? I just want to talk to you. Come here human. I'm a dog, not a drug dealer. Human. I just want to be your friend. Pet me. I'm a little dog, listen. I can bark. Human.